Kroger versus Walmart versus Amazon. It's a crazy online competition for grocery sales right now, and there's some very valuable lessons you can take away from this video today. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Ken Kernen from 80/20 Investing, where investing is as simple as can be. This is Mad Minute Investing, where I talk about the top stock stories today in 60 seconds or less. On this video today, let's try and hit 400 subscribers, get 20 likes, 20 comments, and as always, comment what you thought of today's video and what videos you want me to talk about in the future. So without any further ado, the clock starts now. This is an article from CNN Money. It's titled, Kroger's online sales up 66%. Amazon and Walmart have a real competitor. So basically, as the title clearly explains, it's all about how Kroger's online sales are up 66%. This has been crazy. This is huge for the company. Their stock price bottomed out at around $20 a share. They're now trading at around $30. Basically, Kroger is a real competitor to Amazon and Walmart, especially with grocery sales. Kroger is so well established, and this is a really important story about how, when Amazon came out about the acquisition of Whole Foods, Kroger's stock price tanked. That did not immediately affect Kroger's earnings or earnings growth in any way. That is a huge buy the dip opportunity. Applies to so many other situations with investing. For example, the trade war, Alibaba and JD.com, those have tanked recently. It's a great buying the dip opportunity because I do not think, or if you look into it, it will not significantly affect their current earnings growth and long-term earnings growth overall. So buy the dip when it's this very emotional trading, emotional sell-off going on right now. I do think Kroger is well established for grocery sales and growing in the future, and they're making the acquisitions necessary to compete with Amazon and Walmart. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know how I did on today's video in the comments section below, and I'll see you all in the video tomorrow.